Actually, if you really want to know how me and my mom got separated, I was saving this story for the salmon run, but I'll tell you. It was probably the 5th or 6th most coldest day in my entire life.
Oh, this sounds good. You should definitely save it.
You think so?
Oh, yeah. For your friends.
Oh. Well, I have this other story.
Tell you what. How about no talking?
Okay. Then I'll sing.
No.
Tell everybody
Stop
I'm on my way.
Will you stop it?
New friends and new places to see.
Coda, stop singing.
With blue skies, yes, I'm on the way. And there's nowhere else that I'd rather be.
Tell everybody I'm on my way, and I'm loving every step I take. With the sun beating down, yes, I'm on my way, and I can't keep this smile off my face. 'Cause there's nothing like seeing each other again, no matter what the distance between. And the stories that we tell will make you smile. Oh, it really lifts my heart. So tell 'em all I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. And to sleep under the stars, who could ask for more? With the moon keeping watch over me. Not the snow, not the rain can change my mind. The sun will come out, wait and see. And the feeling of the wind in your face can lift your heart. Oh, there's nowhere I would rather be. 'Cause I'm on my way now. Well and truly, I'm on my way now.
Hey, hold on, hey, wait. How's it going, Bear Boy?
And, smallish bear?
Gee, I didn't know you had a little brother. He's cute, eh?
Well, actually, he's
Okay, there's this hunter, eh, following us, and we were thinking if we could maybe just kind of hang out with you guys.
Yeah,
you
just
know,
hang out, that's right,
Yeah,
yeah.
and it'd be fun, you know. And if the hunter was gonna catch up, then
you eat him.
Right. Well, that's what she was thinking.
We lost the hunter back under the glacier.
So you don't think he'll follow those?
They are quite nice.
I've got an idea.
Okay, this is really weird.
Get out, eh? I'm driving.
When can I have a turn, eh?
It's not as easy as it looks. Now just watch what I do, okay?
Well, let's get a back seat or something. I look like you hunted me.
Oh.